main menu, database, cars, select the car by name, the database automatically has the correct information for the specific car. If you would like to do one of the features and stop, you can select any one of these. Gas recovery is the first step in the process. After gas recovery, it goes over to the vacuum stage. Vacuum stage is to remove all moisture from the system. It will run for 30 minutes unless you modify it. So you can go down to as low as you want. We don't recommend anything less than 20 minutes. Then test time, that's to test for leaks. So you can set it to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 4, 5 minutes. Recommended 2 minutes on a 30-minute vacuum. Next is oil, the amount of oil you want to put inside. So you mix the oil and the UV dye in the bottle on top and the back of the machine. This will put in 20 grams of new oil. And then charge, gas charge, according to the database, the selected vehicle will uses 480 grams, so the machine will put in 480 grams irrespective of what was recovered. So if you want to do any one of these, you go to gas recovery. If you press enter, it'll only do gas recovery and stop. If you want to do vacuum test or do a vacuum, you go to vacuum, you select enter, it'll start. Unless there's pressure inside the system, then it won't start because you first need to remove the gas with the recovery stage before you can do a vacuum. If you want to do everything automatically in sequence, then you go to the last one to charge and you press one more time to the right. This is a circular menu, so you can go around in circles. When you get to the last one, you press right one more time. It shows start. Before you pressing start, you have to make sure that the car is connected to the couplers, to the machine, and that these two taps are on the open position or on. The only time you switch these on is if you want to operate the machine, do a recovery, do a vacuum or something with the machine connected to the car. If you want to start the car to check the pressures, you must make sure that these taps are off. So before starting, you turn these taps on, and then when you press start, it will start the process. Also make sure that the gas inside the machine is sufficient. The machine will warn you if there's not a sufficient gas to gas the specific car. After the complete cycle of the aircon is finished, it's going to ask you to enter the registration number. After you enter the registration number, it will give you the option to print. If you did not print the printout and you want to print it afterwards, you can always press the print button and it will print the last cycle you did. If you want to add gas to the machine, select any button right. You go to bottle refill, enter. You select the amount of gas you want to put inside. I won't recommend putting in or having more than around 5 kilograms inside the machine. So if you have already 2 kilograms inside the machine and you want to put some more, I won't recommend putting more than 4 kilos. It's not critical. The machine has a 12 kilogram tank, so it can take up to 12, but you need space for recovery from the vehicles. So you select 4 kilograms, then you take your bottle, you connect it to your red hose. As soon as you connect it to the red hose, you open the tap on the canister, on the bottle. The red gauge will go up. It should go up to around 5 to 7 bars, depending on the temperature. You close the blue one, open the red tap. Only the red tap must be open. Then you press enter. As soon as you press enter, it will start to recover the gas from the bottle. Then you turn your bottle upside down. The bottle must be upside down when doing the recovery. Make sure to put both taps in the off position before storing your machine. It's also a good practice to empty the hoses before closing the taps and before stashing the machine. So you go to your main menu, you press right, you go to automatic manual cycles, you go to gas recovery, make sure it's not connected to a vehicle. If it is still connected to a vehicle, remove the fittings from the vehicle, keep the gauges open, the taps open, press enter to do gas recovery. It will remove the gas from the hoses and these gauges will return to 0. After recovery is finished, you can close the taps, switch off your machine and store it away.